Make a great choice today with the 2015 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.